Hi, fourth graders. Make sure before you start that you have something to write with so that you are able to do your work as I'm going through the video. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to decide when we should find an exact answer and when it's okay to just do an estimate, because we know that estimating is much easier. It's quicker than finding the exact answer. And sometimes that's okay. Sometimes we don't have to find the exact answer. And when you're trying to decide, should I find the exact answer or can I just do an estimate? There's some clue words that will help you. So if you see words like enough or about, that would tell me that an estimate is what I should do. But if you see words like how much or exactly or altogether or total, that would tell me that I need to find the exact answer. So let's look at our first problem. And we're going to decide, do I need to find the exact answer or should I use an estimate? The Senior Citizen Committee has raised $1,000 for the Senior Center. Is $1,000 enough to buy the items shown? Do I need to find the exact answer or can I just use an estimate? Well, they have $1,000 and I'm looking at these two items and I'm looking at this television set. It's $599 and I know that 599, well, that's pretty close to 600. And 705, well, that's pretty close to 700. And so I can tell with an estimate that it's not enough money because 600 plus 700 is 1,300, and that's more than they have. So I didn't have to do the exact answer. I used an estimate. Let's look at another problem. Okay, should we estimate or find the exact answer? 4 people are invited to Marcia's home. Each guest gets 1 carton of cranberry juice, which costs 45 cents. How much money does Marcia need to buy the juice? So here's my clue. How much money? It's not about how much money. Marcia's going to the store and she needs to know exactly how much money that she needs. So we're going to have to find the exact answer. Now there's a few different ways I could solve this. There's 4 people and each carton costs 45 cents. So I could do 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45. I could do repeated addition, but I actually find that multiplication, I'm less likely to make an error with multiplication because with repeated addition, you have to add it a lot of times. So I would recommend if you see something like this, use multiplication. So I'm going to do 45 times 4, and I'm going to set it up like this. I do 5 times 4 is 20. I put the 0 here and the 2 here. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18 for 180. Now, is it $180? No, that doesn't sound right. That's not reasonable at all. Well, we were starting with 45 cents, so it's actually $1.80. So there's a decimal point in there. So how much money? She needs $1.80, and we had to find the exact answer. Let's look at another. The table shows the number of dogs that were adopted in a state within a year. So here's a table. There's this many mixed breed, this many purebred, this many puppies. How many dogs were adopted all together? What are you thinking? Do I need an estimate or an exact answer? I think that I need to do an exact answer. So I'm going to actually, I want you to pause the video. I want you to add these to find the exact answer of how many dogs were adopted altogether. So pause the video and come back and check your work. Okay, check your work. Did you get 51,171? When I did this, I stacked all 3 numbers on top of each other. That was the way that I wanted to solve that. All right, we're going to do another one. Do we need to find the exact or can we use an estimate? Mr. Sousa has $250. He wants to spend $63 on a sweatshirt, $45 on running shoes, and $120 on sports gear. Does he have enough? What are you thinking? Estimate or exact answer? I want you to pause the video, decide which one, and then solve it. So for this one, I used an estimate and I saw that what he wants to buy is about $230. And so yes, he has enough. You might have rounded to some different numbers. These were numbers that were easy for me. And so when you're rounding, you should use numbers that are easy for you. Okay. Do we need to find the exact or is an estimate enough? Carrie bought 15 roasted chickens. Each chicken cost $6. Find the total amount Carrie spent on the chickens. Decide which one and then solve it. So pause the video and go do that. So for this one, it said find the total amount. So I needed to find exactly how much money she spent. And whoa, she spent a lot of money on chickens, $90. It's always a good idea to put the dollar sign because we have a unit here. So we wouldn't want to just put 90. We want to use that dollar sign. So the last one we're going to do, we're not going to solve it. We're just going to decide estimate or exact. Joel bought 3 apples at 26 cents each and 4 oranges at 32 cents each. About how much money did he spend on the apples and oranges? That should be the clue that you should find, or that you should do an estimate. Okay, when you go to do your work today, you're going to decide estimate or exact answer, and then you're going to solve. Good luck.